on VS Code. Then after that, we give one file and live server. This one on the right. So customer data is saving. Now let me guide you how to delete the element. Once I'll delete from the new product from product list. Then for practice purpose, you will delete from the customer. Same way. In customer, you have the add button, delete button. Till here it was supposed to be done. No? Button click alert should come in customer also. So come to product page. API file, we have a function called 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖐𝖗. We have written the 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖐𝖗, we have written the alert. So we need to write here the URL. We need to write the URL where you are getting the product data. Right here, let URL equal to this one. Okay, you got the URL, product URL, slash we add in the last plus PID. Along with the URL, you have to send the product ID also. Then server will come to know this particular product number we need to delete. After that, let post option equal to method colon delete. Only method we need to send. Method colon delete. The server will understand that request is for delete and along with that there is ideas. So server will delete the product of a given ID. Then below again URL is ready, method is also ready. Fetch function we need to call, pass inside URL comma post option, URL comma post option dot then response dot json. You will get the empty array here, empty array dot then you can write again below server response will not come anything because the record is deleted. The JSON server will not give you any, will give you any kind of update for that. Just it will return the empty array. So you have to write an alert here. Product ID, PID, deleted successfully. Then after that, call below again function called get product to reload the list. To reload the list after delete. Reload the list after delete. Okay, written, check now. Delete is happening or not. I'll share this function complete in chat. I'll try to delete the mango. Gone from the list. Mobile. Gone from the list. Apple. Gone from the list. So please check delete happening for how many people? For 1% deleting, for 4% deleting. Next, after that, you have one more page. This one, which one? Customer. Let's go there. Exact same function, URL will be different. Instead of product, the URL will be customer, right? Try deleting first. Delete the data from the second API page. That is for your customer page. And then let me know again. Are you able to delete from both? We can move next. One person deleting. Or URL आ गई बनी हो from that website. This is site. JSON placeholder typical.com. It right? In that one URL is pending, that is called home users. Users algorithm now next. Okay, so come. So we have tried everyone. We go to the API file. Don't try in this file. Let's create a separate file for that. Okay. Create separate file. API 2.html. API 2.html. Write a section tag. In that section tag, create one A side, and create one div. In A side, give ID equal to user list, and in division, give ID equal to user, or instead of user, details. Just give as a details. Okay, details. Then under the details, you can use one H1 right there. No details, no records. No record. Under the A side, data will come from the JavaScript. Let's go on load. Call a function called get list or get user. Write a function here called get user. Const get user get user. Inside that, you can add any function from API. In API, so many functions we have. For example, which one? Let's take this one only. Get customer where everything into copy of get customer and paste in get user. All the data of get customer is copy and paste in get user. All the data of get customer is copied and paste in get user. Then data variable, let it be okay, or let it be coming down. And remove this division. Let it be only name. Only name. Only name. Only name. And this name you send to user list. Modify this. Once you refresh, run this page, list of users will appear in the left side, A side. Okay, rotate. Run this file. All the names are coming in the left side. Alex, Suresh, Ganesh, something. It appear here in the left side. And then no records in the one division. Little CSS we have to write. To change little look and feel. Each side should be in the left and the division should be in the right. So simple, you can add one CSS here. A style for section tab. Margin 50 pixel from all the side. 50 px from top. 10% from left right and 50 pixel from the bottom. Display grid. Then grid template columns 25% and 75%. 25% and 75%. Okay, rotate. Check now. One is left, another one is in right side. Now we will change the URL. The URL what we have got. This URL is reading the data from our JSON server. We will change the URL here. We will keep the URL of that server. So working for everyone. On load, are you able to get the names? On load, you should get the names here. We are going to change the URL of JSON placeholder, that website. Please write it completely here. Complete code is coming to your chat. Start to end, everything. Okay, next, open that website. JSON placeholder ppicture.com. You can search JSON placeholder. Come down. You will find the resources. In the resources, there will be link on users. We'll click on users. This URL will copy. And that URL will add here. We'll add here. URL you add here. After adding the URL, here full name we have written. So in that array, full name is not there. That is called only name. Only property name is called name. So we have to change here only name. Customer.name. Run it. Now data will come from your JSON placeholder server, but your internet should be connected in the system where you wrote the code. Internet should be connected in the system where you wrote the code. For example, if I run my page, we can see that 10 names will appear in the left side. Coming. So for everyone, 10 names are there. It is working for only one person. Rohit, others. Come next. Whenever we click on any of the name, okay, whichever the name you click, their details should appear in the right side. Whichever the name we click, their details should appear in the right side. So now see what we will do. Suppose if I copy this URL and go here, you can see every user have ID 1, 2, correct? 3, 4. So users slash 1. If I pass 1, you can see it display the information of one user. If I pass here 2, it will display the information of second user, correct? That only we are going to do now. So whichever the name we click, that ID will send to server, and server will give the details of a particular user that will display in the right side. Okay. Come on then. On click of p tag, you call a function called get info, and in get info you require to pass customer.id. ID you need to pass in this. Just concat with the ID. They require to write that function. Okay, written. We need to write below a function get info. const get info equal to user ID you receive here, user ID we need to receive. Okay, then after this you can copy everything from here, this all A to Z you copy and paste in this function. Like all the details of the get user you copy and paste here, and in that user slash after double quote plus and then user ID. Okay, users slash plus user ID. Okay, next after this all will be same. You don't need to run the map. The reason is now only one user details will come. In the previous function 10 users was there, so map was required, but now only one user will come. Okay, so this entire part you have to remove. This one too. Okay, hold on, where to where? This all the content of this map, complete section of map we delete. You don't need map. Okay, complete map we delete. Okay, and after that we have a division called details. Right here details dot inner text. Detail dot inner text equal to customer array. This should not be customer array. Now keep only customer, because one customer details is coming. So keep as a customer, assign here as a customer. So you are sending the ID based on ID from server. One customer details will come. JSON parsing will happen. Then it will go to the object, normal object. The normal object name we given called customer. And then customer we are sending to details division using inner text. Check now. Click on name and see in the right side anything is displaying. Oh, it's coming object. It's coming as a object. Yeah. Hold on, I'll guide you. No problem. We have used here one JSON, right? JSON. Let me change to text and try. JSON I am converting into text here. Let me try. Can you see? Information is changing in the right side. I'll guide you now. So first you convert here in the text. We are testing agent now. Once it's passed, then we'll use the JSON again. Text. And here also write inner text. Text and inner text. फाइन को थोड़ा एक स्टेप डाउन किया। Okay, getting the details. Anyone? Yes, no. Click on the name and see the data changing in the right side. Let us write here. One line is right in the beginning of this function. Document.getElementById details dot inner HTML equal to details dot inner HTML equal to h3. Please wait. Processing. Close the h3. So once you click on button name, it will show in the right side. Please wait processing, and then after some time the content will come. Please wait processing will come. After some time the content will appear. Comment this. Comment this. Okay, got it. Something like this. For some time it will come. Please wait processing. If this internet is fast, it will not realize also. Come and go, come and go. Now we need to print this all. Name, email, address, phone number, company details, everything should print in the right side. Okay, so come next. So these people are fully silent. Let me send you this two function, get user and get info. Both is sent. Now data variable we have on the top, below. Let's create it now. Text function replaced with the JSON again. text function replaced with the JSON. Text function replaced with the JSON. Below we are printing here inner text, change to inner HTML, and instead of customer, keep called data variable. Data variable, right? Okay, data variable. Not coming in will being able to talk this. JSON will give you the array object. It will print as a only object. Now write here data equal to data plus h2 open, or maybe h2 is okay, h1 is okay, plus we can write here call customer dot name. Close the h1. Next, after that, paragraph open close, email, customer dot email, phone and website, phone and website, phone and website, phone and website. Check till here. Till phone, website, and name, all three, four are printing on the right side or not? Then we can add the city, company name. It is only one user is coming. Only one user details is coming. Why you read map first? See, details are changing. At remaining what we have? Remaining we have called address. There we have address dot street, address dot city, address dot zip code. We can write here one h2 and h2. This h2 will hold only all full address. Below to that, we will add the paragraph called address dot city, address dot zip code, address dot zip code, address dot what else? city, zip code, street, then zip code, street, zip code. It will show you something like this. It. Then below we can add company details. What else is there? Company.name and website. Name, company.name, user.website directly you can write. So this is for individual object. Okay. If it is inside if it is all the user, then you have to run a loop. It is not giving all the user details. It is giving only one user details. Okay, ready? So just on click. Happening. Some CSS we can add. This one should be in the left side. Left block should have some CSS. This should have some CSS. Okay. Paragraph, some font size, and then on mouse click, some color changes and all we can add. So ready? Hope your page is loading. And on click of any of the name, their information is listed out in the right side. CSS will add for, we have under the user list and we have under the details. So under the user list, whichever the p tag we have has user list of p tag, font size 25 pixel, color below cursor pointer. So left side of p tag will come little big font size, something like this. When the cursor will go there, colon hover, color will change into red color and text decoration underline will happen. After click on hover, okay. Next, after this, see thing like this. The right hand side, next right has details, has details of h1 comma h2, color as a purple color and font size 20 pixel. Details of h1 and h2, color purple, font size 30 pixel. Increase little more, 40 pixel font size. So that it will come big size. Right? And we can write some CSS for details tab as details padding -left 50 px and padding left 50 pixel. So left side there will be gap. Padding left 50 pixel in details tab. So left side you can see some gap will get applied here. Earlier there was no gap. We can write one more property here. Border hyphen left 10 pixel dotted orange color. So padding border left. In the left side there will be border of dot from top to bottom 10 pixel orange color. It will look like separator of left and separator. Something like this. When the page will load, it will display the first user by default. Now you see no records. When the page will refresh, it should display the first user by default. Okay. What I will do for that? First complete the CSS part. Then we'll come to the JS part. Complete the CSS, then we'll go to the JS part.